Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I got the new cable here. It just came in today and it's pretty well exactly the same as the stock. So I'm gonna put it on. First thing, I better run it through the inside first, actually. I think I got it through. There's the open hood. Yeah, it's through. Okay. So it just kind of ran right there beside that. Up behind the battery here. I believe that was like that. Make sure none of this is in the road of anything. Actually, I run it like this. Under here. Kind of stinks trying to hold this camera. I think I have two hands and I only got one. Alright. There. And then we'll hook that in there. Run that like that. And then all we gotta do is get it bolted, fastened up here in the cab. Should be good to go. So, just reuse the screws that I took out last night because they didn't send any. And this was from First Gen Industries, is where I ordered this from. It was about $69, and then plus shipping and tax. Got that started. And then this wire had like a plastic tap in this, and it was just kind of fastened in there, so I took it off. But it wasn't hooked up whenever I bought the truck, so I really don't know what it goes to. Two down. Need a screwdriver. Tighten these up. That. This rubber boot does need to go in here though. Alright, now I guess we can close the hood and see if it actually works. There we go. It'll be a lot better than having to pull this wire. So I think for now I'm going to leave it. And we were talking like we're going to put a safety wire down, so just in case it either happens again or it's just a little easier to get to. So I'll leave that on there for now, and we'll see what we're going to do with that. But yeah, that's basically the video. So thanks for watching. Hope you like it, and hopefully subscribe.